Migraine is mostly a familial disorder characterized by recurrent attacks of headache, widely variable in intensity, frequency, and duration. The attacks are associated with visual or gastrointestinal disturbances or both. About 5% of the world population are suffering from migraine headache. 60% of the migraine patients are women. All the sufferers have their first attack before the age of 40. Migraine is of different types: common migraine, classic migraine, symptomatic migraine, hemiplegic migraine, complicated migraine, ophthalmoplegic migraine, retinal migraine, vertebrobasilar migraine. Of these, children are more susceptible to ophthalmoplegic migraine. Symptomatic migraine is due to the underlying structural cause such as the cerebral tumors, etc. What are the common symptoms of migraine? Firstly, unilateral, that is, the headache will be on only one side of the head. Secondly, they are photophobic, that is, they cannot tolerate much light, and the headache will be throbbing as the sunlight increases. Thirdly, nausea or vomiting. Some people have vomiting sensation and some vomit. They will have some relief after vomiting. Fourthly, visual aura, that includes the flashes of light, blind spots, zigzag lines across the field of vision, and changes in vision. Coming to the factors which trigger migraine are menstruation, change in sleep pattern, changes in weather, exposure to bright light, irregular meals, and consumption of alcohol, cheese, chocolates, citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc., deeply fried fruits, mushrooms, onions, strong tea or coffee, and dairy products. Apart from these, the most important triggering factor is the mental stress and depression. Some people think too much even for the minor problems and suffer tension and mental stress. Migraine headache is mostly common in such people. Unless one keeps mental stress under control, they still suffer even though they take treatment for migraine. Several theories have been proposed regarding the changes in the physiology of the body during the migraine attack. According to the most popular vascular theory, the throbbing pain of migraine is due to the simultaneous vasodilation and constriction of extracranial cerebral vessels during circulation. According to the neurogenic theory, substance P, a neurotransmitter, plays a vital role for migraine headache, which activate the intracerebral vasoconstriction and extracranial vasodilation. Later, several theories were put forward, but concrete conclusion regarding the cause for the migraine has not yet been arrived. I have been treating for migraine free of cost for over 30 years with a wonderful miraculous herb. All the people whom I have treated had relief, and they said that they did not get migraine headache at all at any time after the treatment. I am putting before you and publicizing the secret of the treatment, which I have been doing successfully for the past 30 years for the benefit of the migraine patients all over the world. Let us proceed to the treatment proper. What are the things that you need for the treatment? Or firstly, leaves of green chili plant. The botanical name of green chili is Capsicum fruitescens. Secondly, 6 inches thin, clean, white cotton cloth. Regarding the procedure of the treatment at the outset, sterilize the cloth by boiling for 10 minutes in pure water. In the meanwhile, pluck 10 leaves from the chili plant. The leaves should be sufficiently older. Tender leaves may not yield sufficient juice required. Wash the leaves thoroughly in water 3 times by changing the water to remove dirt and dust on the leaves. After sterilizing the cloth, take out, squeeze the excess water and dry under a fan for a few seconds. The cloth should not be totally dried or totally wet. If the cloth is completely dry, the cloth absorbs all the juice, so it should be partially wet. Now take out the 10 leaves from the water and blot the surface with a clean cloth. Cut the leaves into small pieces with hand and grind them in between the two palms for a minute. Slowly, the juice from the leaves oozes out. At that time, make the grinded leaves lump into a ball and keep it on the sterilized cloth and fold it. Ask the patient to lie down on the table with head upright. Before the treatment, confirm from the patient whether the headache is on the right side or left side. By twisting the cloth containing the lump, filtered juice will come out. Instill 2 or 3 filtered drops into the eye concerned. The patient should not move at this moment, otherwise the juice will flow out from the eye. Keep the patient in that position for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, squeeze the filtered juice on the forehead and rub. After 3 minutes, ask the patient to bend his head to one side so that the water from the eye drains out. Ask the patient to take complete rest that day. What are the precautions one should take in this treatment? 1. This treatment should be done only when the patient is suffering from migraine and not at all times, and that too before 8 am. 2. White cotton cloth should be thoroughly sterilized. Much care should be taken in this regard because we are instilling the juice in the eye. 3. The person who are treating the patient should take bath, wear clean dress and wash hands thoroughly with soap or Dettol before treating. 4. Most important precaution is the leaves that we use should not be chemically treated or sprayed with insecticides, etc. For this, chili plants grown at home should be preferred. What is the chief chemical constituent of chili? It is capsaicin. Chilies are widely known as painkillers since centuries. In the recent years, the importance of capsaicin has been recognized and research has been going on regarding the effect of capsaicin on migraine. If you still have any doubts regarding the treatment, or if you want to know how it works, you are free to contact me through mail.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please share and do not forget to subscribe.